Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. Today we have a new box to my channel and it is the Diya Co box, and they are a plus size clothing subscription. So they start from sizes 10 to 32. So let's get into it. So this is my first box with them, and since Natalie Attired, since Natalie Attired isn't, the company anymore, they, went out of business, I wanted a new box to my channel. So if you guys have any other suggestions for boxes, I get Ipsy boxes every month, but I'll do videos for those and usually you guys just don't watch them. So if you want to, I'll start doing them again. I actually just got Ipsy's advent calendar for December, and I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I don't know if I'll film myself opening one every day and then release a video for that or what. I gotta figure it out. Suggestions are open to that too. Anyway, let's get into the Diya Co box. We have our trusty rusty screwdriver, and we're gonna open her up. Hopefully I don't have to use the box to return it in. I'm sure they send a mailing thing. So they're kind of like Stitch Fix, where they're a $20 styling fee. You get 5 items. You can pick some of the items. You can shop from their site too, and do, your own orders and everything, kind of like Stitch Fix has. So I'm excited. And I didn't peek. I didn't peek? No, I didn't peek. I don't know if you can peek. Their app is a little bit confusing, I will say, but maybe once you get used to it. Okay, so here's the thing. Look inside for your stylist tips and tricks, order, invoice, and more. So I don't really want to look at an invoice. Okay, so here's the little note. This is the invoice. I don't want to look at that yet. Hi Rachel, thank you so much for trying out our styling service here at Diya Co. We can't wait to see your unboxing video. I read over your styling notes and have some great pieces for you to choose from. Let's get this style party going. The black punty pants from Molly Isadora are perfect for work at the office. You can style these with dressier blouses or in cooler temps. Keep it simple with a stylish sweater like the black and white plaid crew neck. So cute. That's what it says. Finish the look with pointed toe flats in classic black, nude, or brown. For more of a weekend vibe, swap out the ponty pants for the Mark NY liquid leggings. Get it, girl. These leggings can be worn just like jeans. These pair nicely with the brown cardigan, layered over the floral print top with rustic peep toe ankle boots. Have fun embracing your style. So that's kind of cool. It sounds like they sent me 2 outfit kind of things. We are drinking iced coffee today. It's a Saturday as I'm filming this, and it is very cold out. But I'm looking out the window and the leaves are pretty and it's fall and it's not Christmas yet. Christmas people. It's still fall. All my friends are Christmas people. I love Christmas. I said this in my last video, I think. I love Christmas, but not till Christmas time. Alright. Help us get to know you so your Diya boxes are on point every time. Send feedback, add a photo, collaborate with your stylist, make requests. So yeah, I think I have to play with the app a little more. Mailer to send back what you want to keep, and then your $20 styling fee does go towards what you keep in the box. So I'm going to turn this box over. I still have to break down boxes. Maybe I'll do that after this. I've been listening to the Beetlejuice Broadway soundtrack on Amazon Prime. It is so good. I don't know if you guys like musicals. I love musicals, and I have just been listening to the Beetlejuice one nonstop. I really like it. It's fun. Okay, let's hold up our bundle. Here we are. Oh, she's pretty. She's very fall looking. She's soft. Very nice. Okay, let's get into her. I'm excited for a new box. We'll see what the prices are like. They did ask you your price preferences. Let me see if I can find that real quick, because I was just on their app. Real time. We do things in real time here. Most of the time. Okay. Diya box. Style profile. So my price I'd put for the tops would be $45. Outerwear up to $60, dresses up to $50, bottoms up to $45, and denim up to $60. So let's see if they stuck to it this box. It's the first box, so if they didn't, there's room for improvement, okay? There just is. Here we go. All right. So first up, we have this cardigan. And it is a nice kind of open knit. Ooh, did I see? And it's got kind of a cable knit going down the arm. So it's a nice big kind of chunky open knit cardigan. And it has pockets, so that's nice. It's soft too. We'll go over like the names and the prices and everything at the end. Now, ooh. Oh, no wonder she said get it, girl. Okay, so these are leggings by Andrew Mark, and they are like, they're soft, they're stretchy, they're not pleather feeling at all. I don't even know what they feel like, to be honest. They're performance leggings. Let's see. There it is. 88% polyester, 12% spandex. So, okay, we'll try her out. Definitely not. These are not for work. These are the ones she said for the weekend. To wear them like jeans. So, okay. And then we have this cute little floral top. It has kind of like a twist at the bust. However, I think, we'll see. If this part's supposed to be under my bust, that's not going to happen. So maybe this part is down here. But it's really soft too. It feels like butter. It feels like butter, baby. Oh my God. Okay, speaking of soft, holy crap. Okay, now she's like an eyelash kind of sweater. That's what they call it when they're kind of fuzzy like that. Oh my God. She is so soft. She's probably expensive. That's how soft she is. And this is in a size 0X. So yeah, I set my sizes as like extra large, 0X. Because 0X I think is like a 14, 16. But like I said, they do sizes 10 through 32. You know. And here we have the punty pants for work. So those are nice. Nice structured. They're stretchy, pull on, which I think is what I asked for. So yeah. Alright, not a bad, not a bad first look at the box for my first box with them. So let's try everything on. Here's the first top. I like the pattern. I like the colors. I think that's fun. However, the line, which I don't know if you can see, there's like the line right here. It's like right in the middle of my bust. So I'm not a big fan of that. I do like the twist right here. I think that's cute. Have a little twist there. But it's just not how it's supposed to fit your bust, which I'm a little surprised because it's, you know, more of a plus size tailored box. So you think they'd send like a shirt that would fit my bust because you put all your measurements in there. But anywho, let's try it real time with the cardigan over it, which is so soft. Everything's really soft. Da, 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 da. That's cute. See, if you wear it with the cardigan, it hides that line there, I suppose. But this is really cute. I like it's a little bit oversized in the arms, which I like, and the cardigan has pockets. I like the knit. It's really cute, that cable knit down the sleeve. Here's the back. Yeah, I don't have a brown cardigan right now, so we'll see how much this is. Yeah, I know I mess with my hair a lot. So yeah, this is cute. It's a cute little fall outfit, I think. Yeah, not bad. I like the cardigan, not the top. All right, let's try on the two pairs of pants and the so soft sweater. Here we have the super soft sweater, checkered. I love it. And you know what? I still have my hat from my FabFitFun box. No, I wouldn't wear it together. But could I? No, I couldn't. I'll put it back down. It's super soft. I think the sizing is nice. It's a little bit oversized. Just a little bit, not much at all. I have the kind of like, I don't even know what to call them. Like the Spanx leggings, I guess. Whatever she called them. They might look good on camera, maybe they don't even. And they feel really nice. Let me say that. They feel really nice. They have a nice sheen, you know. But I just feel like they show everything. Like they for sure show my, you know, underwear line. Obviously, you would probably wear something that covers your bottom anyway with these. But I'm not really into like the legging and long shirt look for myself personally. I've been wearing more like at the waistline kind of tops and jeans when I go out or something. But they're very comfy. Like, seriously, they're so comfy. But I just feel like the material, maybe it just shows too much on me that I don't like. So this is really soft. Okay, let's try it on with the work pants though, and we'll see. There's my light. I have no head. Okay, these are also comfy. However, they're too long on me. I have short legs, you know. Do you see how they're kind of like bunching at the bottom? Yes, I have socks on that have cows on them. It's cold. Yeah, so they're too long. So if I didn't have a bunch, they would be like that. So it's a no, but they are very comfy. I will say that for this box so far, everything is really soft and comfy. So this is really comfy. I think it's between this and the cardigan, because I think I only want to keep one thing. So we'll see what the prices are, and that will sway my decision. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already and you like these kinds of unboxings. Prices. Also, I got new glasses. They're rainbow, so they'll go with everything. I also got them in the same ones in like, it's like a blue motif kind of thing. Maybe I'll wear them in the next one. All right, prices. Let's see. Okay. Okay, ready? Here we go. The Molly Isadora Melanie Eyelash Plaid Crew Neck Top in black and white, size 0X, $69. It's because she's so soft. Let's see what she's made out of. I put the things I wasn't keeping in the bag already, but I left them out. Real time! Let's see what she's made out of. I don't know why I'm breathing so hard. It's kind of warm up here. No tag there, but she's right here. 50% nylon. I am so blown out. Jeez Louise. 50% nylon, 32% viscose, 18% polyester. If anyone cares. She's so soft, but I'm not going to keep her for $69. The Socialite Amelia Flutter Sleeve Top in olive green / yellow, size 0X, $39. The Mary Sky Aubrey Open Front Cardigan in brown, size 0X, $45. So I've already paid $20 towards this box. I gotta get the light back. I've already paid $20 towards this box. So another $25 to keep the cardigan. I think I would do that. And the Molly and Isadora Ashlyn Ponte Pant in black, size 1X, $65. They're too long. And the Mark NY Audrey High Waist Legging in black, $49. Those were really, really comfy. So again, that's the Mark NY Audrey High Waist Legging in black, size XL, $49. Merchandise total, $267, minus the $20 styling fee, and like Stitch Fix, if you keep everything, you get 25% off. So if I kept everything, $180.25 would be the total. So that's not bad. That's not bad. That's not a bad first box, you know, for my first time with them. So I'm excited. All right, I'm gonna keep this cardigan and I'm gonna try another box. So I'll look and see if there's a referral link. If you guys, I don't know if you guys get anything off. I didn't get anything off this box, I don't think. I tried to use someone's referral link, but I don't know. I don't think it did anything for me. I'm not sure. Anyway, but I'll leave a referral link down below if you want to try it out yourself. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. This was a good box, and I will see you next time.